everybody and welcome to YouTube episode number 169. Myself Lalia Kolkata on behalf of Sanskriti Kolkata, and today's episode will be on Deepavali collection, festive collection, bridal collection from Master Weavers of Benares. And this episode is very special because of course it's Deepavali collection and these are all hand woven pure handloom sarees which I'll be showing you today. Product number 1, as I said, my main master weaver has found out sometime he's got many junior weavers working under him and for Sanskriti, and sometimes when on special request and when he has some time, he weaves these beautiful exclusive sarees for us. Just see the product. It's a beautiful Katan silk with antique zari all over weaving. You can see these are absolutely masterpieces. Pure handloom, heavy quality Katan with antique zari all over weave. These are all bridal collection, fancy sarees, but all handloom, hand woven beauties. 14,900. See closely the weave. Each paisley that has been woven is again intricately, has so much of detailing in between each paisley. This is where I say these are master weaves. See the leher line, this narrow half an inch line has so many motifs, leaves, flowers, absolutely stunning. And even this, and especially to weave these kind of sarees in antique zari is really difficult. Throughout it's woven, but so much of zari weave, you can see from the fall that the sari is absolutely lightweight. This is the blouse piece for this. It's in deep magenta color, Rani magenta color. And see the gorgeous sari. So I'm glad I could show you these festive collection. I was expecting these before the Durga Puja, but somehow it wasn't complete because of the rains and all. So finally these are here now before the Deepavali festival. So the blouse piece is fully woven brocade, and this is the again fully woven sari in Katan silk. You can wear it with a green blouse, but I think the sari blouse with heavy jewelry will really look nice. I have another nice color of in red. Again closely I will show you the weave of the sari. Exquisite. And see from the way I'm draping, you can understand the fall of the product. Mesmerizing weaves, handloom, hand woven, and it takes months to create these. With so much of zari detailing, this is the fully throughout the sari will be like this. Fully woven. For this, the pallu comes here and the blouse will be in solid color. Katan silk solid blouse, color blouse with border. Product number 2, the price remains the same. Again closely I will show you the weave of the product. So here is the fall and the weave. Somebody had, in fact many messages I received that how can antique zari look so gorgeous? Yes, this is where the beauty lies. I had, my great grandmother had exactly a similar kind of a color combination and also the zari. Especially the color combination, purple and dark green color. Again closely let me show you the weave, and here is the back side. So much of zari weave, but it's very well finished, well cut. Here comes 3. Now coming to product number 4, black and copper zari. Stunning color combination with red piping border woven, and see the very, very tiny, beautiful, exclusive design in the body. And since this will go in the diagonal weave, see the color is the overall pattern when you drape it, it gives a stunning effect. In this range, the weave that I'm giving you is just, I just want, you know, to reach this to as many household possible, because it's an absolutely stunning, and I've not, it's just my passion that I'm being able to show you these designs and these weaves, but these are actually priceless. The range that you are getting for these weaves are just very, very minimum. Pallu part. The blouse was so beautifully woven, and now comes another stunning color combination. Wine color, dark magenta wine color combination. See, so soft. I'm draping it on myself and it's so comfortable. You know, sometimes the brides wear such heavy saris and then they, you know, sweat and then they feel so uncomfortable after the whole day ceremony, extending it to late nights and all. This is also 14,900, product number 5, episode 169. But these, when you wear this, you know, you can just walk around freely, even though it's such rich Banarasi weaves, but still it's extremely comfortable. And see, this is the actual color, two-tone pure katan with the border. I'm just loving the weave. See the richness, but it's not, you know, loud, shiny. No Rolex zari. These are all antique, very well tested and all antique zari. And the color blends so well, the zari color along with the this two-tone color of the katan blends so well with the zari. So here is the overall look. Now comes Rani. All over weave, no contrast blouse, no nothing, just it's just weaving. 14,900 with green piping border, all over antique zari weave, but absolutely gorgeous. Blouse. So today's katan is exclusive katan, because these are not regular border pallu buta concept. These are on exclusive hand weaving where lot of nakshi is involved. Now coming to upara woven katan. This comes gold zari, bridal again, red and Rani color combination. See the border, it's in Rani, the body is in tomato red, all over zari weave. Pallu 18,900 with contrast Rani katan silk blouse, and it has a jacquard weave. Can you see the weave properly? This Rani katan is jamewar woven. It has a self weave heavy katan with the border. So is it clear? I'm sure you can understand the weave in the blouse piece, and here is the border. So this is the pallu part, and all over weave, bridal collection, festive collection, and it's absolutely stunning. See the color, tomato red and Rani. Now solid Rani color, single color but all over weave, gold zari, $18,900 again, product number 8. Just take the screenshot of the product where the description is mentioned, the number is mentioned. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Once I confirm you the availability of the product, I will give you my business account details. The payment is done. Please send your details in the in one message: name, address, shipping name, address, shipping address, telephone number where the place to be shipped. In one format. The product will be shipped within 2 to 3 working days. Within Kolkata, cash on delivery only possible. Outside Kolkata, via courier. And we are shipping regularly internationally also. The shipping charges depends on weight and destination. The more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. This blouse too has Jamewar weave. A full red paisley weave, and it's a very nice red. You know, some reds are too loud and you can't wear it to all occasion, but this is a very deep Shidure Lal, very nice red with beautiful paisley all over weave. 18,900. So I've just kept two ranges. The gold zari all over weaves are 18,900, and the antique zari, the previous ones that I showed you, are 14,900. Of course, our katan starts from 10,000. Those also are available in store, but this is an exclusive masterpiece collection. So I just showed you the premium range ones for bridal especially. So you can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata, Silk Route collection for more options of katan. Moreover, you can check whenever you browse YouTube, Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube katan. So you know, you'll check out all the katan series will come. The videos of katan will come. If you want to check out Dhakai Jamdani, so just type Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube Dhakai. So those come, and please like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. You can you know, once the preview is always mentioned in the WhatsApp status, in WhatsApp status, the Insta page, and also the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. So once you follow those or like the pages, you can get regular notification what would be the next episode. Georgette Banarasi Leheriya black with antique zari, orange and Rani double border, 11,900. See the border. I myself had worn a similar sari in a previous Georgette episode, and it's looked very, very feminine, very fashionable figure correction saris, and looks very different on draping. This is the contrast blouse piece in magenta. Jet black, orange, Rani, product number 10, Georgette Banarasi Leheriya. Now another very pretty double border again with buta, dark navy with Rani and orange, double border, contrast blouse piece, double borders look very you know, gorgeous. because of the two color border that we use. So we say double border, two line of Nakshi border in both the sides. Here is the contrast georgette, and these are so heavy quality georgette that even if you make without lining short sleeves or not, if you want to make it little loose and you don't keep on the tendency of gaining weight, so you can make it the sleeves at least with without lining. It's heavy quality, but preferred to give lining. But it's what I mean to say is a very good quality, heavy quality georgette. The count of the thread is heavy count. 11,900. Here is the gorgeous looking sari. Pallu. Yes, this is another very fashionable, very you can really dress up very well. Georgette, this is a bit lighter weight georgette, let me tell you. You can understand from the price, but it's pure georgette. 8,500. 8500, off-white with silver zari. What a stunning piece. Off-white with silver zari. Here is the pallu, 8500. And the zari, the buta, the border, the overall relation, it's really very, it's blending very well. With this, you can wear your pearl, you can wear your multicolored stones. Beautifully, you can, very fashionable sari this is. And here is the blouse piece running with the border. See, this way you can understand, because maybe it's reflecting my color of the sari that I am wearing, but overall you can understand the zari from here, how it's looking. And with this, even if you wear a gold jewelry with pearl setting like this, even this looks very nice actually. I'm wearing a double layer, double line neck piece set. See, this is also going so well with this. Double line neck piece temple jewelry. You can wear it separately also, because it has two separate tassels. So one is this and the other one is this. When you wear to any grand evening functions for any weddings and all, you can wear the double line, or mother daughter can wear two separate neck pieces, or you can just wear it as a choker, and sometimes later you can wear only the broad longer one. So this is a 7,750 rupees set with, see, the Meena stone setting in magenta and green, stone setting jhumka with this, temple jewelry jhumka with this, along with the tikli. Okay, let me put it here. This is the tikli with this. So it's coming to a pair of jhumka, the tikli, double line of neck piece. The whole set comes to 7,750 rupees for the whole set. Now you waited long. Lal Shada, Georgette Banarasi in off-white, gold and red. Now keep watching this now. I'll show you some stunning color, combination is same but stunning weaves in pure Georgette Banarasi with off-white and red color combination, hand woven. 11,900 for this, 11,900, product number 13. See the weave, woven border, very pretty rose woven all over buta. This is a all-time favorite combination, and You know, this time this color combination is so much in demand, you know, almost in, you know, I've shown many and still there is, you know, demand for more. This is the deep red Georgette blouse piece with the woven border. Agomoni collection, pure Georgette, heavy quality Georgette Banarasi with red blouse piece. Now I'll show you more options for you to choose from. This is the big buta, all over with buta, and since it's big, little slighter bigger buta, the border is slightly narrow. Contrast border blouse piece, 12,900 for this, 12,900, hand woven. Day, night, anytime, any generation would look very gorgeous, and she would stand out in the crowd wearing this combination. Yes, I am very biased towards this combination. I myself love this combination, and I really try to show as much as options possible in this Bengali combination, you can say. Shikarga weave, all over jal shikarga weave, again in off-white and red. See the shikarga jal ghatchola weave, the shikarga woven border, even the pallu is in shikarga weave. Here is the sari. It's very gorgeous. Since it's all over woven, here comes a deep red blouse piece. Even see the color of the red. So those who were waiting since from Poila Boishakh, many of you have been waiting for this lal shada combinations in georgettes and crepes. So since I got some sunlight, so I could complete the polish of these new saris that have come just before the Diwali occasion. Again another shikarga woven. Shikarga is a art form, it's a term that is used for the kind of weave that I am showing you, living animals, living beings, birds, figures, animal, parrots, peacock, elephant, lion, tigers, you know, it's woven. It's a very difficult weave, but it's a very in-demand weave. It's very traditional. And here is the deep red blouse piece with this, again with the shikarga border, narrow sleek border, since the sari is all over gorgeous rich weave. And see the border, you know, elephant and tree, such a beautiful neat border. I want to show you the border, how beautiful it's just as if it's a story woven in this beautiful fabric. Product number 16, 11,900 only. 11,900 for this red and gold off-white sari. See the pallu. Even the pallu is absolutely gorgeous. Everything depends on the weave. If the weave is nice, okay, in between let me show you what the mannequin is wearing. Again a small buta double line, georgette. red blouse with the border. And what about the price of this? Okay, I'll just check out the price for this, but just check the price for this. In between, let me show you the other one. I'll just check out the price for this Georgette Banarasi. See, this is with all over very small paisley butta. The upper part is very sleek, narrow upper part, and the lower part will have the red broader paisley border in the lower part. So it's a upper part narrow, the lower part will be broader. And here is the pallu part, 11,900, product number 17, 11,900. Very rich paisley woven border. It's a double paisley. Each motif is very artistic. See the paisley with paisley, and again in between this Naksha. It's absolutely gorgeous look. Especially when you will wear it with this red blouse, it will look really nice. So all forms I am showing you, all types I am showing you in this particular single color combination. I am showing you many varieties in this. How much about this? 11,900. Okay. The price of the mannequin sari is 11,900. All over butta. So once again, since I missed out the price of this, 11,900. This is also available. Now this one, I think, now. Okay, so this one is a similar one, only the butta is different. That one had only paisley butta. This is one small butta, one big butta. The border again changes, both paisley, but that has double paisley. This is single paisley with all over floral. In between the paisley, the weave has been done in floral. Number 18, 11,900, number 18. You can check out, as I said, our Facebook page, the WhatsApp status, where every day the repetition of saris which are in demand, we recreate sometimes when you are in demand, and then you can check out if you want those. Again, they keep coming, so you can check out if you want anything, we can courier it to you. Very smart weave, upper part narrow and lower part broader paisley weave, beautiful. Even the pallu has paisley weave. Now coming to Ara stripe, which I love. Looks very fashionable. Horizontal stripes with border contrast red again. Pallu 11,900. 11,900 for this. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. The menswear collection of ethnic kurtas and dhotis are available only in the Cornfield Road branch. Looks very smart on wearing, and closely see the weave. Okay, the one that I am wearing, let me tell you that also. This is a Mohapar Shikarga border sari. The lower part is very broad with pink peacock and elephant weave, Mohapar border. Pallu, it just goes running pallu till the end, all over buta. Here is the pallu part. The neck piece set I have already told you, 7,750 rupees for double layer tikli earring, the jhumkas together. The ring that I am wearing, pearl setting Tanjore Mughal ring. It's a statement ring, 2100. It is adjustable. You can, broaden or tighten it also. Just check out the lovely ring. Premium ring, not the quality is really premium one. And the ghungru bangle that I am wearing. Here you can just check out this bangle. Single piece, 400 rupees. Handmade, 400 rupees. You can wear it as a pair also, or even single one looks nice, or you can wear it in two hands. Very pretty one, 400 piece. And the sari that I am wearing is 11,900 with this blouse piece. 11,900 for the sari with the blouse piece, red blouse with the shikarga border. Same color combination. Now coming to a few more of this color combination. Product number 20, floral jal. Very pretty colors. The weaves I am showing you, though the color combination is same, but the weaves are totally different from each other. 11,900. And please do give me options, because since these are all hand weaves and single piece, so give me options in case you don't get number 13. You can, but tell me which is your second choice, which is your first choice. Of course, if your first one is available, you will definitely receive the first one only. And first come first serve basis. Once the payment is done, the product will be couriered to you. Gorgeous weave, very pretty. Even this one, this is also very simple weave, but so beautifully, thoughtfully woven. See this one, just a touch of red in the border and more of off-white gold and antique zari weave. But since this is narrow, the border weave is so fine with, you can see the peacock. Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, no words to say. 11,900. And the blending of this geometric border with this pattern of figure, peacock and the kind of alpona weave, it's so pretty. And even the buta is also so unique. Very fashionable sari, this one, with blouse piece. Here comes the blouse piece and this is the sari. Simple and elegant. Pallu. Number 22, monotone, in between a royal blue and a navy blue color. $10,900 with solid color blouse piece. Here comes the border for the blouse piece. Number 22, and these are all full width sarees, so you can easily wear this. Here is the color, very rich color. 10,900. Number 23, green, red border, red pallu, pleats in different woven contrast red and red blouse piece with the border. So it's a single sari woven in half and half concept. So yes, here you can understand how it would look. The upper part will have small buta, the lower part with contrast dye will have the bigger buta. This way it looks very nice on draping. The green and red color combination, and another very in demand combination is orange and rani, both with sleek borders, small butas in the upper part. Pallu 11,900 for this, 11,900. So very nice color combination with contrast blouse piece. Whatever you are seeing, it's in showroom like, no filter. And even in the Facebook page, the still pictures when I upload, I really 100% I do not filter. In fact, I don't have time, and nor do I know much techniques about filtering and all. So this is what you are seeing. This is the actual color. 11,900, of course, due to device 19-20 difference may be there, but I try to tell each and every color verbally because it's in front of me. So this is the pleat and this is the body. Since I'm showing you red white, so I thought of showing you this chinia silk. This is a silk from Banaras. So woven sari with dudhe alta colored border. Pallu 7,500, all over woven. Just two weaves have come. The border color is, you can say, deep coral, reddish pink color with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Range wise, it's a very pretty sari. 7,500, chinia silk, Banarasi. I have another one in this 26. This is a paisley woven one. This is also very smart looking. The other one was in floral jal. The other one was in paisley jal, and this is in leheria in paisley also. Very nice color also, and the sari is lightweight, very comfortable. 7,500 for this too. Blouse piece will have the border. Soft sari, very soft sari. I wanted to end the episode there, but last moment yesterday I got a polished parcel, and I was so excited since I was shooting today's episode the following day, and then these beauties just arrived. Absolutely stunning color combination. So in the same color combination again, I will be showing you some new weaves. So only in off-white, red and green, see the weaves that I'll be showing you. Peacock border, double border in one side, number 27, 11,900, and very reasonably priced. The normal Georgette Banarasis are also same price, and these new stunning concept saris, we've kept this prices same only. Small buttas, double border, mohapar, upper part will be only red with contrast green blouse piece will have the border in this, and see the look of the sari on draping. Beautiful. This is whitish, more of not off-white, I would say this is white only. Number 27. Very pretty, very, very rich color combination. Now coming to number 28. Again same color combination, but the weave is different, double border. Gorgeous weave. That was a little darker green. This is a more of a olive green. 11,900, again double border with peacock weaves. See the border color combination, the weave, the body. Heavy quality Georgette. We stick to the same quality for Georgette Banarasi. This is the comes with a red blouse. Anywhere you go, even in places where everybody is wearing blacks and bright oranges and ranis, but you will stand out when you wear a white color sari. Checks, check double line, double border with checks, green and red. 11,900. Product number 29, 11,900, double border, upper single paisley red border, body in check zari hand woven sari with contrast green blouse piece with the border. The border will be there for all blouses, and here is the sari. So this is the look that will come when you drape it. Very smart. The last one in this episode, again a white with double line, same combination green and red, all over very small butta. This too will have a green, dark green blouse piece with the border. Closely the border weave, just check out the border weave, the butta and the fall of the sari. I'm sure you loved the episode just like I liked showing it to you. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Namaskar.